Good morning, everyone. It is Weather Week. You have me, Miss Chrissy. Miss Rachel is behind the camera.
Hello, hello.
You should be receiving your kits very, very shortly. Directions are in the front. Your bonus this time. Well, that just looks like
Like, what is that?
What is that? You should have a popsicle stick, and I'm not going to do it because I don't want to ruin this board. But if you take your stick and you draw something, let me know what happens on your board.
Yes.
So, little surprise there. All right. So, first thing we're going to do is our umbrella. When would you have to have an umbrella?
I think umbrellas are perfect for rainy days.
What about really hot, sunny days?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
I have to use those for soccer sometimes because it just beats down on you.
Too much, yep.
It's too much. But most of the time, yes, we use it for rain. All right, so we're going to sort out all of our pieces. You should have just a bunch of different things. What's in your bag? I don't know.
Yeah.
Sort it out. Let's take a look. All right. String. This is going to go at the top, so we're just going to put this to the side. I want you to pull out all the ones that look like this. Okay? So we have windy, rainy, snowy, sunny. And then I want you to take and make little columns, put it in of where you think each piece would go. So, sunny, would it go with rainy? No. Windy? Maybe.
Maybe, possibly.
Snowy?
Definitely not. No.
Not really.
No.
Nope. So we're going to put that one with sunny. And then, of course, we have snow. That is going to go right there with snow. Let's see. How about snowman?
Right there.
Let's do these easy ones. We have an umbrella. We have to cover up our heads because it's raining. And let's see, look at this guy, this cloud. What's he doing? He is blowing some wind. Let's see, we have just a couple of things left. Maybe you have a sailboat, maybe you have a kite, maybe you have just another cloud. See where you think you want to put them. I'm gonna go with sunny with my boat. Maybe I'll just do 2 clouds for my windy.
Windy
Usually,
day.
yeah. And I'm not sure everybody has a cloud. I mean a kite, so
If you have a kite.
if you have a kite and you want to put it with windy, put it with windy. If not, just do your 2 clouds. All right. First thing. What letter does this look like?
That looks like a J.
That looks like a J. It's not going to be a J today. We're going to make it as our handle.
For your umbrella.
So, just glue right at the top. And then lift. And put your umbrella right on there. So then, it looks like a true umbrella. All right. Next, take all of your different types of weather and just pick an area. Okay, it's divided into 4. Doesn't matter where you put it. I'm going to keep it in the order that I did. I'm going to go windy, rainy, snowy, sunny. But you do whichever ones you want. All right, and let's see, maybe I'll put it down here. And you don't have to do it in the same order that I'm doing it either. You can just put them all in different places. Just as long as each piece is with the correct type of weather. What's your favorite type of weather?
Oh, warm and sunny.
Warm and sunny?
Warm and sunny, yep.
I do like warm and sunny.
Me too.
Do you like the snow?
I like it for one day.
One day.
And then Miss Rachel is done with it. I get tired of snow very quickly.
It's a lot of work for us older people.
Exactly. When you're an adult, snow's not fun anymore.
Snow.
You still got to go to work. You're the one shoveling. You gotta scrape off your car in the morning.
Oh, Miss Rachel,
I
you
know.
need to get out into the snow and go sledding.
I know. Stuck in mom
All right.
mode, right?
That's right. All right. Got umbrella for our rain.
Got your cute little raindrops.
Ooh. Come back here. All right, one more raindrop. Let's see.
All right.
Later in the week, we're gonna talk about what kind of weather. What sweater weather. Say that 5 times.
I know, right? That's a tricky
We're
one.
gonna talk about what kind of clothes you wear for the different types of weather.
Mm-hmm.
That's what Miss Chrissy was trying to say.
That's right. And that's partially why the reason I like warm and sunny days. I like putting on flip-flops and shorts and just heading out. I don't have to spend 10 minutes bundling up before I leave the house, so.
I do like some cozy sweats though.
That is true. That is true.
All right, last few pieces. We got our sun. Maybe a sailboat. Oh, I would love to be sitting on a sailboat right now.
Oh my goodness. Me too.
Actually, I really enjoy teaching you guys, so. All right. So that is similar to what your umbrella should look like. Very cute.
Adorable.
Last thing you need to do, and you can color this too if you want to add some more detail. See if you can put your string through your hole. And then you might need some help of tying it. But if you know how to tie it, go for it. I put 2 pieces together and just loop it around my fingers. And then I stick it through. Feel free to practice that.
Oh yes, that is
But
a
if you
good
can't get
fine
it
motor
real
skill.
quick,
Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're
that
growing-
takes
yep.
a little bit of practice.
It does, but your grown-up can help you with it too. There you go.
And then you guys can just go and hang it up. Super cute. All right, so that is day 1. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a fantastic day. Bye.